Microsoft OneDrive Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you store files in the cloud, the Microsoft OneDrive app promises to make access, sharing and collaboration seamless, but does it really deliver? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming you need a PC to manage files. The app lets you access documents, photos and videos from anywhere, with offline access for files you mark as important. You can also scan physical documents directly into the app, making it easy to keep everything digital and organized. Another advantage is collaboration. You can share files and folders with colleagues or friends, set editing permissions, and work simultaneously on Office documents in real time. Integration with Microsoft 365 ensures smooth compatibility with Word, Excel and PowerPoint, which is especially useful for teams or students working remotely. However, there are cons. Storage can fill up quickly if you rely heavily on free plans, and some features like version history and advanced sharing controls are easier to manage on a desktop. The app can also feel a bit slow on syncing large files, especially on mobile networks. In conclusion, the Microsoft OneDrive app is a solid solution for file storage, sharing and collaboration. The surprising truth is that while it's convenient for on-the-go access, power users still benefit from desktop use for advanced features and large-scale file management. For anyone looking to streamline cloud storage and collaborate effectively, OneDrive is reliable and user-friendly, but knowing its mobile limitations helps you make the most of it.